car at Unique, especially in classics. 1975 Dodge Dart, two-door hardtop. Underneath the hood, 340 V8, board 30 over, mild cam to it. That is paired up with a Torque Flight automatic transmission. Edelbrock intake and carb on it. And we'll pop the hood here in a little bit, start it up, let you hear it run. Go ahead and check out the front grill, bumper, headlight surrounds. Chrome's looking nice on this one. Paint on it, kind of a medium wine metallic. Rich looking color with the black vinyl top, black interior. You can see the reflection. A nice finish to that paint. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside of this, check out the engine bay, trunk. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Krager SS mag wheels, BF Goodrich radials, and take a look up and down the length of this. See, it looks pretty darn straight. Good black interior. Black vinyl top, nice shape. There will be probably 80-90 pictures of this car online. Flat black swinger stripe in the back. Take a look at the chrome. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Also, we take a look at the underside picture and take a look and see. It looks like a newer drive shaft, newer gas tank on it. Rear end is a 355 gears, sure grip. Once again, those still pictures, you want to see them, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Look up and down the driver's side. And also see nice finish to the paint. Nice and straight body. Other side of the vinyl top again, nice shape. Alright, take a little peek at the interior here. Door panels, does have an aftermarket, I believe it was Kenwood. Stereo installed in it, I have not had that powered up. May want a little attention to the tunes. Wipers do work. Aftermarket tack on the dash. Otherwise, dash also in nice shape. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Good sounding car. Here's gas gauge is working. Alternator here. And then there are a couple aftermarket gauges down below. Oil pressure and temp gauge. Look at the rest of the dash. You can tell it's got mild cam to it. Slip around back so you can hear it run. A little rumble coming out of that 340. There you go. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop the hood so we can check out that engine bay and we'll wrap up this video. So give me a second. Let's get that hood.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Under the hood also finished off nicely. Engine bay, into that kind of medium wine, light metallic to it. 340, again, Edelbrock intake and carb, ceramic headers. Flat black and chrome combination underneath here, polished intake. Heater hose is intact. And again, board 30 over. Mild cam. 1975 Dodge Dart, two-door hardtop. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. One other thing too, check out the still pictures. There is a build sheet of how this car would have originally come from Dodge back in '75.